Hey, Attorney Gabriel Carrera here, practicing law in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and it's steamy out there. It's hot, hot, hot. I saw it was 84 degrees, but feels like 92. Anyways, things are heating up in deportation court. I've got some clients that entered legally, and they applied for relief. And according to the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals and other case law, they're allowed to hang out and wait for their appointment with immigration. They're allowed to get a work permit. They're allowed to live their lives until that application is heard by a USCIS immigration officer. If the officer says, this is full of baloney, they can refer that individual to deportation court or immigration court. Or they can also say, hey, approve, poof, done. You know what I'm saying? So now I've got two clients that are in deportation court. They're being held by ICE. And I think it was a little bit of an overreach, but they've got what's called notice to appears, which is immigration charging documents. And what you do in this type of situation is you go before the judge. You say, Judge, this is the law. They did not enter IWI, entering without inspection. These people were inspected and admitted into the country, which puts them in a totally different category. This is all by the law. And if we don't like the law, we can change the law. But the thing is if somebody's going to hire me, I'm going to do things legally. Get legal with Gabe. So in the bond hearings, I come in and I tell them, hey, these people were inspected. They were admitted. It isn't like they crossed the Rio Grande and came to the United States. They would be in a more precarious position. They would need about 10 of me to help them instead of just one. But these two, I think they're going to do okay. I think they're going to get a bond. They've got good equities. They satisfy all the elements in the case. So let's see how things turn out. And if you know somebody, or you got friends or family members that need an attorney, just call Gabe. Just call Gabe.com. Just call Gabe.com. Oh, my brother in California, David, says you got to click down here and check out my profile. It's supposed to raise my stats, get more friends. Hey, why don't you consider subscribing?